Hi, it's Mike, and today I'm visiting Payam Data Recovery's lab in Rhodes, New South Wales to see how their data recovery engineers work on a broken USB flash drive, a very common problem. I'm watching them work on a case for Samantha, a school teacher from Sydney who accidentally bent her USB flash drive. It had a broken pin where the connector attaches to the PCB. The drive contained years of teaching documents and photos, and it was an unbranded USB drive with no markings, so there were no schematics available. Without schematics, the data recovery engineer manually traced the copper tracks on the PCB to find the damage. Using precision micro soldering, he ran a thin wire to repair the damaged copper track, secured it with UV curing glue, and hardened it with UV light. The USB flash drive was functional again. The data recovery engineer immediately cloned it using PC3000 Portable, making a sector-by-sector copy. Success! Over 1,200 files were saved, Word documents, PDFs and photos. Samantha will receive an email with a complete file listing and video preview showing her recovered files. Once paid, she'll get a Google Drive link to download everything immediately. No waiting for postage. This shows what sets Payam Data Recovery apart. If you've got a bent or broken USB flash drive, contact Payam Data Recovery to get your data back. Thanks for watching.